Yes, sir. Rise and grind. Back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video, we got a 2019 Chevy Malibu LS Turbo, 1.5 Turbo. And we're gonna be doing a oil change on it. Got our 0W20 synthetic oil. See, it's on the cap, and we're gonna get to it. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
As you can see, we got them up on our ramps. Got it up in the air. Remove your cap so it can flow. The oil can flow out a lot better when you drain it. Alright, so we're gonna go down at the bottom. Alright, we got a pan up under it. I like to keep this as well, just to keep the oil from splashing everywhere all on the ground. All right, we got our oil filter right here, drain plug right here, and we got a 15mm bolt at that drain. All right, we got the drain plug back in there. That's all the oil that was left. All right, next we're gonna hit this oil filter. Got these pliers here. And just and that's why I like to use this here. New oil filter. See the part number. Get you some fresh oil and just put it around the gasket before you install, and wipe your surface off on the motor. And we in there. Everything looking good at the bottom. We're going back up to the top. Go ahead and top it off. Alright, so the fill is 4.2. So we're gonna go ahead and top it off and get it to about that level, and then we're gonna check the fluid. Start it up, rev it up, build up that oil pressure, and check the fluid. Alright, let me go ahead and see what we're looking like. So you want to take this moment while it's running to make sure it's not leaking from the oil filter or anywhere else. Alright, so I just checked the fluid and I do have a low level. So when you check your fluid level, take the stick out, car off. Should not be running. Take the stick out, wipe it off, stick it back in, and then check your level. Alright, and that's it, gang. I hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.